People think laziness comes from being tired. Wrong. It's momentum. And right now, yours is at 0. Think about it. A car parked with the engine off. No matter how hard you press the gas, it won't move. You have to turn it on first. Your mind works the same way. And there's a 90-second trick that can start that engine instantly. Picture this. You're sitting there, phone in hand, scrolling, telling yourself, I'll start when I feel ready. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't just arrive. It's not a package delivered to your door. It's like a shadow. It only follows movement. The problem? We wait while doing nothing. And doing nothing creates more nothing. The day slips away and guilt moves in. Here's what you do. Pick the smallest possible action linked to the thing you're avoiding. Not the whole task, just a tiny move. Write one sentence. Wash one plate. Tie your shoes. And the rule is, do it for 90 seconds. That's it. No pressure to go further. It's so small, your brain can't even argue with it. But the moment you start, resistance shatters. Your body says, oh, we're doing this. And 9 times out of 10, you won't stop. High performers know this. They don't wait for the perfect mood. They start. The difference between stuck and unstoppable? Just 90 seconds. So next time your brain says, not now, will you listen? Or will you start the clock?